have to share the good news.
That's true.
I buy one nice house. Tanya, me can't bother no Tanya. Tanya, now you look at me and tell lie. Guys, me and Tanya are gonna do one video. She know the ear now, so me talk a little more. I don't really want she come and hear me. Yeah, but look at that she know that I am planning. I wouldn't per se call it a prank. I would call it a prank. Okay, this is something in my eye. I'm not gonna tell me it's something in my eye. I'm gonna call it a prank. But I am going to tell her, mommy na kitchen but Jesus when you want to do something you don't know nice. Sure. Anyway, I am going to tell lies to see how she react to it. Yeah, me and Brittany come up with it and we say, you know that would be a good video. So and that me I could do. So guess what? Guys, stay tuned for that, okay? Yeah, the targets. Make on the presents didn't want to there.
Why are we ready to start video? See, I'll carry on. Hey, before we have to go there and see, nothing never did that pass. See, dog, start back.
Look at the head team, look at your head team. Yeah.
What they call it, Mr. Speaker?
Mr. Speaker.
Alright.
Yes.
Welcome.
Yes.
Back again.
We're
With
back.
Michelle.
It's about damn time.
Yes.
Guys, walking
Yes, we're there.
on the alright.
Reunited, not true.
And it feels so good.
Feels so good.
Hey.
Reunited. Boy. Alright.
What should I do in a vlog? I think we realize.
Unfly,
Right?
It's a great night. Stinker like Tanya.
Facts.
Yeah.
So guys, to be honest, we don't know what to do. To be honest. So we just say, we're something, have no up, and then something might flow.
But I see Tana did busy, Tana did go away, and you get some me did go away too, you know. Me did go away. Me did go. It doesn't know for true. Me did go away. Me did go Dubai. Yeah, man, me did go Dubai.
Right.
Me go for one shopping spree.
You know go Italy too.
No, just Dubai, Canada, Dubai. You know,
sorry.
remember me did go Dubai.
Right.
And me go for one shopping spree. Tana couldn't come back again, so
I was away.
she was away, and
Right.
you know, by the time she could come, she can't come back again. So
Exactly.
I just went to have some fun. I went to go. Unfortunately, me never get to get no content. I guess what? The thing them, they got corrupted.
It
We
was
said,
a
oh, shoot.
Fire
Look, the
curtain.
perfect opportunity to do one vlog and showcase the thing them to people, man. No, that is so. I can't.
Right.
You have to true. The journey was good. Me I tell you the truth. How much flight me have to take to go to Dubai and me I tell you. Tanya, you know, but me can't add this.
Sure. You might remember.
Yeah, me can't add this something there. And the trip never so expensive and then like it. Like it did.
Alright.
It did. But
It
it could have won.
Alright.
Yeah, and then you know, Brittany never come neither because you know I mean you know special somebody like oh yeah you know. Brittany, you remember me care how can I something Brittany? Brittany get one of clothes and jewelry.
Right.
Yeah. Tanya, you go on like you know.
Yeah, I mean, they get sweet.
Yeah, I get sweet if you throw and all these things.
Right.
Why would I go back there again, you know? We place pretty.
Now you have to go this time.
Me and Tana, yes, this time
Yes.
we're gonna make a trip say to where we are
So
going.
what we going to Dubai?
To
Trip to
Dubai. Yeah.
Right.
Tana, you make it look like say me tell lie.
I don't say nothing. Me just say
Me You go for true. I know so me go.
True.
Yeah, and then me a top plan to go New York next week.
Right.
So me I gonna be missing this time in action now. This time I gonna go all these nice places. I want to buy some from Chanel and
Jimmy Choo. Jimmy Choo.
And we will go Versace and we will go where the place the good place there. Yeah, this party the Converse, we go the Converse.
Yeah, girl.
So it's nice Converse, we want something new. So next week, you know, now me and Tanya
will got Gucci.
And you will get New York vlog.
Yeah, girl. Fox.
Yeah, book a ticket already.
Stop it. Get some help.
Right.
Yeah, so you know, say more going New York next week, so we're gonna be missing in action.
Right.
Tanya, it's not like what I say.
It's alright.
Me, you know. Me like what you got.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll come back. I just me only go spend 2 weeks still. Just 2 weeks.
Alright.
And then me will carry on along with me.
So anyway, people.
Tanya, me like what you say. Like me can't go in the places.
No.
I ain't
don't
gonna say,
say that.
me say people they don't owe me stroke looks so. Me say I'm gonna get a new car.
Hey! I'm gonna buy a car.
I'm gonna buy a car too and myself. Okay, Tanya, me I had to go look on the car. You remember? Eh?
Father God. If you're not busy, come here then.
Tanya, me I go look on the car. Me like, what you go like car again?
But me don't remember which car. Which car again?
No, but you mean my color. Tell me about the color.
Yeah, man. The blue color.
Why you always lying?
Yes, a nice blue car. But I know the baby blue, and you know the nice dark blue car. Yeah, I mean, I tell you about pick it out. I want Honda. Yeah, they said the budget can
Right.
I mean, I did go Kingston, you know, and I like how they come to you.
Yeah, man.
I like how you drive up and down the places. Tanya, I don't like how you laugh, you know. Tanya, I don't like how you laugh, Tanya.
Don't think that's all, yeah? You did it, though.
I don't like how Tanya laugh. And then when you go Kingston, we go to one nice restaurant. Yeah, we have a lot of funny blocks thing that I promote it. We go one nice and nice restaurant there. We dress up and we say a lockdown time and people can dress up pretty. We dress up pretty and we go. Yeah, we had fun. We never have fun. Yeah, we had fun. That's when we come back from Dubai, you know. We do go. When we stroke clock. Next time we tell them the story time when we stroke clock. Yes, next time.
Anyway.
No, we don't do good things to come. Okay. You know what we share with them?
Share
things that we want, why we did absent. Let me share the good news.
That's true.
We buy one nice house. Tanya, we can't bother no Tanya. Tanya, no, you look at me and tell lie. Tanya, but you want me to say about the house. When we come, we go look at the house somewhere.
Yes.
Some place under the Kingston here, we sell the house for Bush millions.
Yeah, man. And she buy
Very nice studio, nice flat, you know, nice place.
Yeah, man.
So we want house. House tour coming soon, and furniture shopping coming soon too.
Alright.
So you know, a lot of content we have right here. Understand? Tanya helped me because the house, you know, she said, boy, Michelle really love this.
Yeah.
Yeah, one 3 bedroom, you know, 3 bathroom, living area, kitchen. Yeah, nice thing. Nice place.
So before she can see you with more lies, tell them the quote. Tell them the quote.
Hey, Tanya, that's what I try. You know what I do? Yeah, do. Tell them see him. Yes. We had Brittany. We are Brittany planning us. So that we are going to do that. I hope you see a reaction. Alright. The court. Everyone's done a reaction. Oh God. Tanya, Tada no give me a time idea. Tada start laugh same time. I say, yeah man. Anyway, the quote is, no matter how serious life gets, you still gotta have that one person you can be completely stupid with. So.
True again.
No matter how serious life gets, you still gotta have that one person you can be completely stupid with.
True.
Yes. So you see all that stupidity going with all of us. Yeah. This quote, yeah. You can understand it completely.
No, you see, even so anyway, people, you see, in life, people don't have serious time. Most can be goofy.
Yeah. And the moment, can the fly at about?
Yes.
See, break the ice and relax the moment and the whole everything, you know.
If you be goofy something, you can't be all serious.
No, you can't
Relax yourself, man.
Relax.
True, relax yourself.
Relax yourself.
Right. So anyway, people, we're just there. We don't know. We know what we do. But you know, so we feel on the cars. We don't need nothing for our mind.
So guess what we are gonna know? Tada, we can do a spicy noodle challenge now.
We have new go down. We're supposed to have new go.
Yeah, we're supposed to have new go.
Yes, people.
We're gonna do a spicy noodle challenge.
See, it's your idea come sometime.
Ideas like that.
Let us go. I'm gonna look and see if we have any so we can go prepare it for you.
Yeah.
So that's how we can content.
Yeah.
Spicy new go. And we can eat like this. We can eat as a time. Like who can
Finish it. At a certain time. Hot and spicy? So you go hot and you go spicy and we go sit and you can finish it at a certain time.
In what? 5 minutes?
Man.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Jesus. Alright, there you go.
Alright.
So we can do
10 minutes?
10. That's too long.
Or we can just time it.
Yeah,
And
so
like-
who can finish then?
Yeah, who finish first? Like, who finish first?
Yeah, who finish and I want to have the spicy.
Yeah.
So we will finish.
Yeah. So, come on, we do that.
Yeah.
Yeah, come.
Thank you for watching our video and hope you remember to turn on your post notification to notify you when there's another video.
Guys, we're going to leave on with one phrase. It's after that, no one can do what we do, so just do
The
right
thing. Do the right thing is every day.